Alright guys, today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on a 2014 to 2017, 2018 Chevrolet truck. This is a 2017 Silverado, GMC Seirra, whatever, same thing. It's pretty easy to do, quick and easy. Get yourself a T15 Torx head. Open this up. Screw right here, screw right here. Those two. Then from the bottom side of the glove box, one right there, one right there. Pull them four out. And all you're gonna do is grab on here, give it a little tug, set that down, and then up inside there, clip, and then one more over in the corner there, pull it out, and there it is. Then all you do is reach in there. This one looks really dirty. Get that wires out of the way. Slide it on out. It's pretty dirty. Reverse operation to put it all together. One thing to keep in mind when you're putting these in, you want the airflow to go down. So there's arrows on your filter, and that will tell you which way to put the filter in.
Daddy, why you're over here?
And we just bring our glove box, kind of line it back up, give it a little shove, push it in, 4 screws back in, good to go. If that helped you out, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.